So this is a quick video to show how you can install XAMPP in your laptop. So first you have to go to apachefriends.org. So from here you have to download whatever the latest version is. So the latest version is 8.2 and you have to click on XAMPP for Windows. So once you click on the link, it will start downloading. As you can see, the downloading has been started. So I already has downloaded the version. So now I will show how you can install that version. So I have to go to the downloads. So here is the XAMPP for Windows. You just have to open the file by double clicking. So from here you will see a little warning. You just have to click OK. You don't have to worry about the warning. So this is the warning that you will see. You just have to press OK. So now you can install XAMPP in your laptop. You just have to click next and then next. Now it will ask for the folder where you want to install the XAMPP. So I will keep it as it is. Now I have to click next. Then I will have to select the language. I would go with English. And now I have to click next. So the installation has been started. So now I have to wait for the installation to finish, and then I will explain how you can use XAMPP in your browser. So XAMPP has been installed for me, so it might take few minutes depending on your system specifications. So I will click on finish and I will keep this button checked. So now the XAMPP will start in the background. So as you can see, the XAMPP has been started. So I have to start two processes in order to use the PHP or MySQL. So the first is Apache and the second is MySQL. So make sure both of these are green. So Apache and MySQL should be green. If you see any red sign here, this means that Apache or MySQL is not started yet. So if you see any errors here, this means that Apache is not started. So maybe some other applications are using port 80. So you have to change the port in order to start Apache. So how you can change the port? You have to go to config and then you have to open Apache HTTP config. So from here you have to search for listen. So from here you can see the 80 port is being used. So you have to change this port to something else. So maybe 70 or maybe like 80, 81 or whatever. So you have to use that port. I hope this step is not required, but if it doesn't work for you, you have to change the port number. So I'm closing and I don't want to save the file. So let's see how you can use MySQL or phpMyAdmin. So now you have to go to browser and then you have to type localhost/phpMyAdmin. Don't Google search this, you have to type and press enter. So your phpMyAdmin is 100% working and you can see all the databases are listed here. You can use you can create a database, you can use all the features. So I have not created any database, and in the next videos I will explain how you can use all these things, like how you can run a query, how you can export a database, how you can import a database. All these things will be explained in the next videos.